walk out here to the wooded site, take a look at some potential firewood for this season. I got to get in here and get it cut. Hickories in here is still growing. Really dead one over there. Got about 15 acres here. Most of it's in pasture. We got probably about 6 acres of it's in some hardwoods. Pine over on this side a little bit. Hardwoods back out through this area. I was thinking there was a couple more, but maybe that was it. See what needs to go ahead and come down this year. Usually try to thin out the dead stuff and work that direction. Ones that are danger of falling. Oh, the top's kind of dying out on it. That's some good little hickory hardwoods and stuff coming up in here. See the hickory nuts on the ground anyway. That shagbark end, I guess it's called Eastern. I think this one's about gone. That one could come out. It stays pretty wet down here in this area. It's part of the floodplain. So it gets flooded out in here. Usually about twice a year or something like that. This one's probably a little bit past it. Actually still has a little top on it, but so we got a couple here. Get down, turn in some firewood.